In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn iCloud Photos on or off, a simple yet important process if you're managing your data effectively across your Apple devices. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide designed for beginners, ensuring you have a smooth and hassle-free experience with your photos. First, grab your device and let's navigate to the Settings app. This is where we'll manage all the configurations for iCloud, making it the hub for all tweaks related to Apple services. Once you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the very top where you'll see your name displayed. This is your Apple ID banner, and tapping it will lead you into a more detailed menu stemmed specifically around your account. After tapping your name, you'll be presented with several options. Now look for iCloud. This is the section we'll be focusing on today. iCloud is Apple's cloud storage service central to syncing data like contacts, calendars, and of course photos across all your Apple devices seamlessly. Once you're in the iCloud settings, you'll see a list of all the apps and services using iCloud. Locate the Photos option and give it a tap. Here is where the main action takes place, controlling whether your photos are stored on your device alone or shared across all your devices through iCloud. You will now see an option labeled iCloud Photos. To turn the syncing feature on, simply toggle the switch to the right. Enabling this will ensure every photo you take on your device gets uploaded to iCloud, allowing access from any device logged into this account. On the other hand, if you'd prefer not to sync photos or want to save some cloud storage space, toggle it off by sliding the switch to the left. This action will stop future photos from being uploaded to iCloud. Finally, depending on your current settings and whether you've just turned off the syncing feature, some prompts might appear. These usually ask if you wish to keep the existing photos on your device or remove them. Carefully read through these messages to decide based on your preference. If you choose to keep them, the photos will remain on your phone, freeing them from iCloud but maintaining a local copy. And there you have it, a simple yet vital process for managing your photo library across devices using iCloud. Mastering these basics can greatly enhance the way you interact with your Apple products, giving you control and flexibility over your data management practices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and empowering. Feel free to explore more settings and learn about managing other aspects of your Apple account in future videos.